In this video, I will show you how to install Cinemana Plus on your Android TV. Like and subscribe to the channel if you find the video useful. If you have an Android TV and want to install the Cinemana Plus application on it without Google Play Store, here's what you can do. You can use this third-party application called Downloader. What Downloader does is that it helps you act as a searcher across the internet and search for apps, APKs, files, and you can all get these to your Android TV. So if you don't download your Android TV, just check the description of this video. There is a link there that guides you to get the application to your Android TV. So after installing the application, just come out to the search box. This is how the dashboard looks like. And type in Cinemana Plus, or to make it specific, type in Install Cinemana Plus app. Once you type in the right keyword, just go ahead and click on Go. Once you click on Go, Downloader is going to show you the results and various options on the internet where you can install the application. As you can see, here is one of the options. I think it's one of the best options. Download Cinemana Plus APK. You can scroll through to see other options. Here's another option too that you can use to install the application to your Android TV. That's another option. Now here are Arabic options. If you are able to read Arabic, you will know if those are Cinemana Plus. Now this is just Cinemana application. We're looking for a Cinemana Plus. So if this result page doesn't have the right one, I'll move on to the next. But as you can see here, I think this is already the right option to install Cinemana Plus. You can use the option to install the application to your smart or Android TV. Like and subscribe to this channel if you find the video useful.